Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back. Joining us right now to talk about the importance of mental health is Miss Oklahoma, Sunny Day. We're so honored to have you on here. You have such a heart and a passion for mental health and really helping out the kiddos. You're a teacher. How are you teaching students about mental health and how to be prepared and navigate those waters?
Well, it's very difficult because I teach 5th and 6th graders, so a lot of kids come to me with all of these emotions. The kids I work with specifically, they come from traumatic households, they're living in poverty, they have parents who are incarcerated, some are homeless. So they have all these emotions, but they, one, don't know what each emotion is, and two, they don't know how to navigate it. So I've created a curriculum and a set of lesson plans and hands-on activities where kids can learn how to, one, analyze their emotions, but two, how to combat them and how to navigate them. So that's been my full force, and I started a program called Ready, Set, Go, which is my community service initiative through the Miss America organization, where I hope to make this not only a statewide curriculum, but a national curriculum as well.
And you're partnering with 988 now, doing even more to get the word out about mental health. What are you doing?
So we did a commercial a few months ago, and it was really important to me because one of the things I promised myself, if I won Miss Oklahoma, I wanted to be real, authentic, and vulnerable. And the reality is a lot of people look at Miss Oklahoma, and I'm guilty of this. I would watch Miss Oklahoma and say, she looks perfect. Her life is perfect. But mine is not, and none of ours is. And so I wanted to share my story about the reality of whenever I called 988. A lot of people wouldn't put it together that a Miss Oklahoma has ever called the hotline before. But at the end of the day, we're all human and we all need help. So I wanted to make that resource more available and less intimidating for people, but most importantly to share my story about struggling with mental health and that I myself have had to seek help.
Well, I love that you're breaking down that barrier, because even though I feel like we talk about it all the time, there can be that stigma around calling that number, and there really shouldn't be.
Absolutely.
So what's your final encouragement just for young kiddos and for people watching this out there as they may be struggling themselves?
Well, as I was driving here this morning, the emotions have been hitting me this week. I think it's really set in that I'm actually Miss Oklahoma, and that's crazy for me to think and to accept because I used to watch Miss Oklahoma and Miss America when I was sitting in my Section 8 apartment floor with my single mom, and we were surviving off of food stamps, and I never in a million years thought that a girl that came from a life like me would have this. And so no matter where you come from, no matter what your circumstances are, you are worthy, you are capable of chasing after your dreams, and anyone can be Miss Oklahoma or Miss America, whatever you want to be.
I love that. Well, thank you so much, Sunny, for
course.
sitting with us and for sharing that message. You're really doing an incredible job.
Thank you so much.
So fun visiting with you.